coursing is essentially a blood sport. It's where people trespass onto land and then using the dogs to chase after or ultimately kill the hare in the field. And there's a significant amount of money that changes hands in a betting formation to either see if it beats the hare or it catches the hare. South Wales Police has subscribed up to Operation Galileo. We have Operation Galileo Cymru. Operation Galileo is a national campaign for rural crime to combat hare coursing through mutual understanding and joint enforcement through a multi-agency approach, and also through community engagement with our farming community. Hare coursing is an emergency and it should be reported to us, and that can be done if it's occurring now via the 999 system. If we find out that your community or your land has been subject to hare coursing on it, then you may see some damage caused to fencing, damage caused to gates, or sadly seeing hares that are left at the property that have been killed, then that can be reported via the 101 system or via our web chat on the South Wales Police website. South Wales Listens is an internal system that we have with South Wales Police that allows us to communicate with our local communities. The great thing about South Wales Listens is that you can target our information. So if we have an incident or several incidents that are happening in Cowbridge, I can target my messaging towards the Cowbridge community. And in this instance, with the farming community, I can sign up our farmers, and I can target specific comms around hare coursing directly towards our farming community. Now, if you'd like to sign up for South Wales Listens, you can either speak to your local PCSO, speak to your local neighbourhood beat manager, or indeed speak to one of your local officers who will be able to signpost you to the South Wales Listens website where you can sign up and conduct our survey.